Keeping your Hyundai i20's infotainment system up to date ensures optimal performance and access to the latest features, including map updates and improved Android Auto CarPlay integration. There are two main methods, USB and over-the-air, OTA. OTA updates, available on most i20 models from 2018 to 2025, are wireless downloads via cellular or Wi-Fi, offering convenience and reducing the need for manual intervention. For older models before 2020 or areas with poor connectivity, USB updates are necessary. These involve downloading the latest firmware from Hyundai's website onto a USB drive and installing it via the car's infotainment system. Choose the method that best suits your i20 model and connectivity situation to ensure a smooth update process. For USB updates, first visit Hyundai's official website and log in with your BlueLink account. Download the latest firmware and maps to a FAT32 formatted USB drive with at least 8 gigabytes capacity. In your i20, ensure the car is in park and insert the USB drive into the port. Navigate to Settings, then System, then Update via USB, and follow the on-screen prompts. The update may take 10 to 30 minutes, so keep the car running. For OTA updates, ensure your vehicle is parked and either running or in accessory mode. Connect to Wi-Fi, or use mobile data if your BlueLink subscription is active. Navigate to Settings, then General, then System Update, and select Over-the-Air Update. Download and install the available updates. These incremental updates are designed to minimize data usage. Remember to back up your data before any update and consult Hyundai service for model-specific issues.